Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this video here, I am going to be rearranging everything on my desk. Yes, as you see, I pretty much had the organization right. But as you notice that things got a little out of hand because I do a lot of paperwork. Yeah, I had the organization right, and then the organization went from messy, extreme messy, to chaos, and I would just say to straight oblivion. Now, I am previously on my 24-inch television monitors. Yes, I have an RCA 24-inch as you see there. I have an Olivia 24-inch as you see there. Got my microphone in the middle, my USB 7-port sitting in the middle, my speakers. As you see, I got my camera. Pretty much I got everything up on here, and it just became to be a hot mess. Now, I'm getting ready to do everything with this disc. I got to tear down everything because I got to install that ring light in the back of where my editing rig is at. Yes, this is my cuboid build here. The reason why it's by do it yourself. It is acrylic glass, but the main thing I like about it because it gave me my first presentation view, and I started getting into looking inside my computer and everything. It went through a massive breakdown. I had the A2 motherboard in there. Then I had put my FM2 motherboard in there. As you see, my FM2 motherboard's in the Rosewell built down there. That is my major gaming rig. You know, I'm a light gamer, but I do not play games like extreme gamers doing, so I don't call myself an extreme gamer. But when I do play my games, I play my games on a modern set. Yes, I'm gonna back up some. As you see, I'm on a 2-base set. Top base is my editing, business rig, etc. Bottom base is my gaming rig. Now, so like I said, cable management was done right, but I wasn't even close because I had to go ahead and change everything, strip this down, strip that down. And as you see, I got my ring light. I want to go ahead and put in the back of here, and I'm getting everything ready to drop those in. Yes, my 32-inch TV monitors. I'm going to, so that's 64 inches deep on my desk. And I got to go ahead and fit all this in. Now, PC Tech Hustle, I am subscribed to his channel. He is also a mentor. He showed me how to go ahead and do my presentations right as well with all my other subscribers. He did his office build, and I like the way he did his by mounting the TVs onto the wall. Pretty much that's going to be me pretty soon when I get my own place. Right now I'm renting, so I don't want to put anything on my renter's wall, put holes in the wall. Then I got to patch them up, repaint, etc. I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead on and basically redo everything here and get everything ready to go to install these TVs. everybody, and I am done installing them. That's TV1 with my ring light on top of it. Now just go ahead and keep in mind, we put my camera back on top of it, and this is TV number 2. Now, I haven't done my cable management, that will be tomorrow. But go ahead on in and keep in mind that when I get my place, I'm going to have these TVs mounted to the walls. So maybe if I get me a basement and everything go good. But other than that, my desk's running good. I got to go ahead and do the cable run. And she's pretty much done. Two 32-inch TVs by Sceptre 720p are in, and I like it. Go ahead on and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank y'all for watching, and I got more great content coming your way, and I'll see you in the next one.